It is Thursday, February 25, 2021. This is the DGB News. Good morning from the Studio 16 at DGB News here in Torreon. Good to be with you. My name is Dachel Guevara. The second dose of COVID vaccine. This Tuesday started officially the vaccination for coronavirus disease for frontline health personnel working in Torreon hospitals. This makes history because it's the first vaccine authorized by the federal government to be applied in Coahuila. Vaccination protocols start on Tuesday at military hospitals facilities. It was headed by Coahuila Health Secretary Roberto Bernal Gomez and Guillermo Ortega. The first person who received the vaccination from Pfizer was Lieutenant Gabriela Martinez Gonzalez from the National Defense Secretary. After her, the dose to Ana Gabriela Cedillo Nurse from the Coahuila Health Secretary, and then Lorena Castro, a nurse from the ISTE. And at first arrived come to Coahuila 8,354 vaccines and 2,576 were designated to be used in Coahuila. Expected in the next week, more doses arrived to complete the 17,000 announced at the beginning of the month. The doses are free and universal. Were installed 3 modules for disinfection, uploading, and observation for 30 minutes after get the dose. Well, I totally agree with the vaccination protocol created by the government. I'm so excited to get the dose to be protected for coronavirus disease. In other news, as students come back to school or return to school, is this a school model to follow? These images are not fake. It's a school from Saltillo, Coahuila. It is the school with more students in class while the pandemic are 223 students. The school to open the doors enabled an advanced disinfection system. Also, a temperature intake was installed with technology to be registered by day and time. It has a cost of 100,000 pesos. Also, they create a protocol with 93 rules to follow by teachers and students. They renew all the covers, also the mask, implemented a mandatory use of antibacterial gel, put some protocols to the family of the students too, and weekly meetings. It is important to report the familiar trips and small meetings. All these processes are updated week by week. They avoid visit Monterrey because it has a lot of positive cases. So if students visit Monterrey, cannot be in the school. So the school has not any positive case in these 3 months that is open. In Coahuila, 11,000 students are not going to school. 25 private schools are closed, so they give online classes as the others. That's why the Mexico government authorized to open only 130 schools of the basic level. Well, I'm not pretty sure that is a good idea, but I think that it's too risky because the only way to reduce the contagion is to stay at home. Even though I have a great technology, I'm afraid to start the normal activities. Let's continue with the last news of today. We will be talking about the lack of water. Citizens of Suburb Eastern Valley from Torreon manifest against the municipal water system from the current lack of water registered in their housing area. A woman said, all the night I don't have a drop of water. She also complained with CIMAS, but just fixed the problem for a few days and then the problem continues. At 6 a.m. the water starts, but at 12 o'clock it stops and they don't have water on their houses during the hot day. Complain about the pandemic because the lack of the water reduced the house disinfection, so they don't have another option just to use the antibacterial gel all day. And if we consider that there is a support with economic problems, we will know that they are spending a lot of money because the antibacterial gel is too expensive. So far, the authorities have not made the request for the citizens. The lack of the water has persisted. In the east of Torreon, no one has given a solution to the big problem. Actually, I couldn't be agree more with the people because it is too important to have water in pandemic because you need it at home to clean surface, to wash your hands, to wash clothes. And if you don't get it, how do you protect yourself? How do you take care about your family? Well, that is the GB News this Thursday. Thanks for watching. I am Dachel Guevara and have a great day.